Wow.
What should be this?
That's a triangle.
What
Yes.
should be this?
That's a...
Finger.
Yes.
This is octagon.
Wow. What's the name of this shape?
It's a octagon.
Wow. Wow, good job. What shape is this?
Square.
Wow.
The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the
What should be this? What should be this?
You say.
Hurt.
Yes.
What should be this? What should be this?
You say.
Cuckoo. What should hip? What should be this? What should be this?
You say.
Octagon.
Wow.
What should be this? What should be this?
You say.
Where? What should be this? What should be this?
You say.
Rectangle.
Yeah.
What should be this? What should be this?
You say.
Triangle. What should be this? What should be this?
You say.
Rectangle.
Yay! Very good. And total how many shapes are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,